Hello everyone, welcome back to TastyIrshad. In today's video I will make homemade sandwich bread rolls. Better than Subway bread. Let's go to the video. 145 gram milk. 28 gram egg. 35 gram sugar. 3 gram yeast. Mix well. 280 gram bread flour. After mixing it so that there is no powder, knead it with your hands for 1 minute. Cover with cling film and leave at room temperature for 20 minutes. 20 minutes have passed. 20 gram room temperature unsalted butter. 3 gram salt. Knead by hand for 15 minutes from now. The sticky feeling is something suspicious, but it suddenly became a soft lump. Cover with cling film and ferment in a warm place to double size, about 1 hour. 1 hour later. Press to release air. Make 1 lump. Divide by 4. Gather the dough in the center. Round it please. Cover with cling film and leave for 10 minutes. Place the dough on a baking board and flatten it out. At this point, spread the lower part slightly wider. Slightly stretch the underside with your fingertips. Roll it up. I will make a concave shape in the middle. It would be better if you put more force on the little finger side. Now put it in the oven pan. Fermented to double the size. Baking cooling net. Cooking oil or butter. Oil the cooling net thoroughly. I put it on top of the dough and press it to bake. 170 degrees Celsius 325 degrees Fahrenheit for 13 to 15 minutes. Butter the bread while it's hot. Perfect. It's just too delicious to eat just bread. I want a sandwich today. Mayonnaise. Honey mustard. Lettuce. Cheese. Ham. Tomato. Complete. Then let's eat. It's really delicious. It is a taste that can eat even 10. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel for more recipes like this. See you in the next video.